Hello everyone. In our phonics today, we are going to have another special friend. This is chips. Chips. So what do you think is our sound today or our special sound for today? You are right. It is ch. My turn. Ch, 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 ch. Chair. Ch, ch, ch. Chain. Ch, ch, ch. Children. Ch, ch, ch. Chocolate. Now our sound ch is made of two letters that make one sound. And the first letter is k, 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 caterpillar. And the other one is h, 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 horse. Down the horse's neck to the hooves and over his back. Okay, now this is the sound. You're right. Ch. Good job. Now I'm going to hide it. Hiding it. You like the hiding. You like the hiding game. Great. Hide it over here. Are you ready? And off we go. There you are. Oh. There you are. Well done. And now we are going to go blending sounds. And that's it. If you're putting sounds together so that you can read the words. Okay, first word, 3 sounds. Thin, thin, thin. Good job. Next one. Kelly says it's this. Good job. Next one, Kelly. 3 sounds again. Yep. It's z, p, zap, zap. Next one. 3 sounds. That has our special sound today, special friend sound today. It's ch, op, ch, op, chop. Well done. Good job. Now, our special sound today, as you know, is made of 2 letters, the k and h. The first letter in our sound is the k, curl around the caterpillar, and the h, horse, down the horse's neck to the hoof and over his back. And remember, in our handwriting, the first sound is short, and the next one is tall, which is the h. Okay, so well done. Let's go over to handwriting. So our sound today, that is ch, is a short and a tall letter. The short one is the k, 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 and then the h, ch, 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 chip, ch, 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 chips, ch, 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 children, ch, 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 chocolate, ch, 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 chain. Remember, these 2 letters that make one sound. 2 letters, they make one sound. Now this line tells you that these 2 letters make one sound. They're special friend, okay? One sound. Let's try again. Ch, ch, ch. Chips. Ch, ch, ch. Chips. Ch, ch, ch. other special fun that we have learned is the shh, later down the snake and the horse. They also make one sound. Shh. Shh. And the other one was the t and h. T and h. Good job, guys. Keep practicing. See you later.